Alright, today I have a Maytag washer and I'm going to show you how to use this particular Maytag washer. It's a commercial technology that Maytags use. Now a reminder, this doesn't replace your requirement to read the user manual and follow it precisely. Alright, so let's get started with this. Can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and we're going to look down inside of the tub. See that? A lot of space in there for big loads. I have a big load. So I'm going to put the big load in there. As you can see, this is just for demonstration purposes. I put that little towel in there to demonstrate a big load. And you have several compartments. One says detergent, the other says softener. And this one right here on the far left, it doesn't say anything, but I'll figure it out later. But either way, once you add the detergent in there, you put the detergent in the right place. You measure the detergent as needed, depending on what the manufacturer says. You go ahead and close it. Now, if you have a pod, if you have one of those pods, I would suggest putting it down in the drum or into that far left corner. I think that's what it's for, but I could be wrong. Either way. So let's go ahead and move over to the controls on this Maytag washer. We're going to start from the bottom now here. Okay, we're going to go with the custom cycle. I haven't quite figured that out, but we're going to go to the bulky items where, of course, bulky items, towels. You have an option for towels. And then there is a sanitize with Oxy. Now that is to sanitize your clothes. You have a whites cycle. You have something for heavy duty clothes. You have a lot of clothes, heavy duty, put them in there. And then there's the normal, regular wash, a quick wash. Just say, for instance, you're in a rush and you don't have time. And then there is delicates for those clothes that you don't want to get damaged. There is a wrinkle control, which this particular cycle right here allows you to wash your clothes without them getting super wrinkled. And a color cycle to maintain the color, a drain and spin if you just want to drain and spin your clothes. And there is also a clean washer cycle that you use a fresh. You can clean your washer with a fresh using that cycle right there. So let's move over. There is buttons that can make this. You can turn on the fabric softener to where it can dispense fabric softener. There's an on-off button down there. There is a deep fill for actually having more water. You can change the spin from off to medium to high, fast spin in order to spin as much water from out of your clothes as possible. There's also a button to where you can press it. For some reason, my button's not working like it's supposed to, where you can change the temperature of the wash. Now, if you're washing color clothes, you probably don't want hot water. You probably want cold water because it retains the color of the clothes. I'm just going to keep on pressing this. Hopefully you'll get there. Oh, there is a soil level. Okay, you can go from heavy to extra light to normal. There it is. It can change the temperature. Tap cold, hot, regular cold. You make your selection depending on what the fabric of the clothing says you should use on that temperature. There's also a delay start feature. Now, this delay start feature can delay up to 12 hours. This allows the washer machine to start after a period of time. Say, for instance, you don't want it to wash right away because you're watching something like Netflix and chilling, so you'll delay it. There is an extra rinse. So say, for instance, you want your clothes to be rinsed thoroughly, you'd put that extra rinse. And there is the cycle signal. You can turn the sound on and off. Now, to start your wash, you're going to press the start button and hold it down for 3 seconds, and it will start to wash your clothes. Press it again, it can pause. And to turn it off, you just press the power button. I hope this video was helpful. Please read your owner's manual, your user manual, so you know precisely how to use your Maytag washer. This video is merely a guide and only my opinion. Thanks a lot for watching.